What if there was a vocal meditation that tapped into the innate understanding of how voices sang around the world? What if there was a vocal practice, a meditation that was something beyond what you normally hear about, which is the Eastern or Western Sanskrit or English chanting? What if there was something that you could tap into deep inside of you that expressed who you really are and what needs to be expressed?
Jen will normally give us either a chord on her keyboard or just a note, and we all start singing. And after about a minute or two, these beautiful harmonic melodies come out, which you would never believe that you had in your soul until you actually got involved in something like this. It's something that I would advise anybody who has any desire to sing to try, because it's just a fantastic experience.
You need to breathe, let the breath come in, and then start again. You can start at different times, so we can keep a continuous sound.
I had a lot of trauma from various teachers who had been overly critical and a deep fear of performing. I also had some problems with my breathing and my control. And Jenna Rose helped me enormously. And as I studied with her and became more comfortable, I started to take some of her workshops. I took all of them, and even some of them a couple times. I was just transformed.
We come together with a lot of times fantastic harmonies and beautiful creations that we come up with. Sometimes we get silly. Everybody starts sounding like some kind of a barnyard animal. And after about 2 seconds of that, we all crack up, and that doesn't usually last too long, but it's amazing how stimulating and funny those things can be.
Can you sing your name? See? You're singing your name. If I sing my name, yeah, and then let's go.
And you sing back her name.
What brought me to Jenna Rose initially was a project that I'm working on. I'm interested in doing some recording and making a CD eventually. And she got my attention when I discovered that she did breath work, and I had a chance to see her work. And I'm experiencing music on a different level for the first time, all related to breath work and vocal meditation.
So if you're ready to be in your full, alive, creative, dreamtime self, and you want to share that with others, join me for the Universal Voice Vocal Meditation Journey Experience. Hi, Switzerland.
Hi, Switzerland.